a math video for today, probability. So just like we've usually been doing, a couple of problems for the students to try to work. Okay, there's the first one. You'll pause. Okay, hopefully you pause that one so the kids could look at it. Here's the second one. Right, so these are kind of two different types of probability. The first one is seen a whole lot. It can be marbles in a jar. It can be, one time I've seen them say something about, buttons, maybe different color buttons, things like that. This one's candy. So what you have to do when they're doing this kind of problem is you have to figure out how many total of whatever item they're talking about, in this case, the candy, how many total there are that's going to go on the bottom of your fraction, and how many you're trying to pick would go on the top. In this case, it's a little bit different because they're saying which one is not grape flavored. So let's go ahead and add up how many. Well, they told us 10 pieces of candy, but that does check out. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 would be 10. So sometimes they don't tell you how many. You just add up to get the bottom number. And of course, they're wanting the ones that are not grape. So you just need to add up all the ones that are not grape. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them that are not grape. And we can reduce that. And you're always going to need to reduce these fractions. So 4/5, choice E would be the answer. And there's also another way. Sometimes it might be quicker. If you want to find out not grape, you can actually find the probability of picking out a grape, which would be the number of grape over 10, 2/10, which is 1/5. And then that's the probability of getting a grape. So the non-probability is always 1 minus that probability. Well, we know that's 5/5 minus 1/5, which is, going to give us the same answer. All right. So that's one type of probability, giving you some items and saying they're going to pick out of those items what's a probability or not probability. Okay, this one is a little bit different. And this one I've seen in problems like somebody has so many pants to wear, so many shirts, so many shoes, how many combinations of clothes could they wear? Well, then you're basically just multiplying how many different items. Or there was one time I saw that was a clown with wigs, different color noses, and different color hats, different kind of hats, and how many costumes could he make? What's the same kind of problem? So license plate consists of 3 letters taken from the 26 letters of the alphabet. So we're going to have 3 spots that we can fill for that. And then we also have 3 more digits that are going to be numbers 0 through 9. So 10 digits that can go there. And because they say you can repeat, now that's important because you've got 26 choices of letters. And then if they didn't repeat, you would have to go down to 25 and then 24. But they said it's okay to have repetition right here. So 26 more letters, 26 more letters. And then, of course, the numbers, same thing. They said you can repeat digits as well. So 10 choices, 10 more choices, 10 more choices. And then it's simply just multiplying all that together. They didn't actually do the multiplication. If you notice, what they did is they just changed this into its other form of 26 times itself 3 times is 26 cubed, and 10 times itself 3 times. And they're just listed out of order, but that's okay because multiplication is commutative, so it can be listed out of order. So the answer there is F. Okay, guys, I hope y'all have a good rest of your day.